Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel This is my hair product that I use on all my clients, y'all, that I'm showing y'all right here. My bad, I had to stop the intro, but this is my whipped shea butter that's infused with a bunch of different oils. But make sure y'all moisturizing y'all clients' hair before y'all put these braids in. Okay, but welcome back to my channel This is the first video that you're coming across of me. Today we're doing just some pot smoke braids, RIP smoke, but I just start off with a part down the middle, y'all. We're gonna do a part down the middle, so it's equal parts on each side, and then we're gonna do just the same amount of braids on one side that we're doing to the other. I'm really doing 8 braids total, so 4 on the right, 4 on the left. And just watch me slay these pot smoke braids. It's not really a technique to these. I do my braids stitch with these, like stitch braids. And that's it. All the products that I use is in the description below, but I only use 2 or 3 products in this video. I'm gonna let y'all know. told y'all in my last video, but I set my braids with the Got To Be Freeze spray and then just run a blow dryer over it. And this just to help the braids last longer. And I do finish off with a vitamin E oil spray. It has vitamin E, sunflower oil, and then you'll see in a second. Yeah, that's this one I'm spraying in his hair to finish it off and give it a glossy, sleek look. And then his hair is all done. And y'all, I know y'all see that, wait, I'll start showing y'all the hair products. That was the gel that I used on this hair, y'all. It's Even Edge Control. It's the purple top, or you can use the black top, but I use the purple because the purple top works on all my clients' hair textures. But I know y'all see that I had forgot to put that freaking cape over him before I started braiding his hair. I be forgetting sometimes, but I'm gonna just finish off putting rubber bands on the end, and then he's all set. That's it for this video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, leave me some comments so I can respond to them.